So again, congratulations for signing up for the webinar. I hope you get a lot of value out of this next little video. My favorite 5-step close. I learned this from my friend, mentor, and business partner, Rich Dad Advisor, Blair Singer. If you can follow these 5 steps, not only will you learn how to close better, but if you do them well, your clients will learn how to close themselves. So, step number 1. There's got to be a problem. You've got to uncover the problem, you've got to get the client to uncover the problem. The client has got to connect to the problem they have. Step number 2. In order to make a sale and to solve the problem, you need a solution. But again, you need to connect the client to the solution so the client owns the solution that connects to the problem that they've already owned. Once you can do that, then you need to uncover what would be the benefit to the client using the solution in order to solve the problem. Once you can ascertain and identify the benefit from the particular client. Now remember this, everyone has different benefits. You've got to uncover what is the benefit for that particular customer. When you can do that, when you can connect the benefit to the solution to the problem, then you're in a position to make your offer. Now, if the client's going to buy, the cost of the offer has got to be less than the return of the benefit. Does that make sense? The cost of the offer has got to be less than the return of the benefit. So it is critical that you understand the benefit and connect the benefit to the offer so that it makes sense in order to solve the problem. If you get really good at that, you go into the last step, and this is the last step. The deal will be closed. So in my Sales and Leadership Mastery program, I teach you and take you through the step-by-step process of learning how to go problem, solution, benefit, offer, close. But again, not only so that you close, but so that the client closes themselves. Click on the link below if you got value out of this.